to see so many creators. They are here for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and they are not getting the momentum that they deserve. When I watch their content or watch their video, I'll see that, oh, this video needs to go viral. Why is this video not going viral? I even ask myself questions on their behalf. But sometimes, let me tell you the bitter truth, we are doing things that are confusing the algorithm, confusing our audience, and confusing our own channel. You upload today, nothing. You upload tomorrow, nothing. You upload next month, still nothing. And maybe you will tell yourself that YouTube is not for me, or YouTube is luck. It's based on luck. I'm here to tell you that it's not luck. Okay? Because what I'm about to show you today on this channel, you're not going to see it anywhere. You're going to start gaining visibility. I'm telling you the gospel truth. So stay to the end of this video, because any part you're going to miss vital information. So guys, thank you for clicking on my video. My name is Princess Nicky, and on this channel I teach about YouTube growth, monetization, content strategy, and how to grow your channel the smart ways. And before somebody will now say, who is this one that wants to come and teach us about YouTube growth? Is your own channel growing? Let me quickly introduce my humble self. I run this channel. I also run my news channel, Alishan Nicky News. I also run my faceless channel, and both of them are doing very well. This one I started doing well because I took it I took it serious this month, and look at the views from 0 to 100 and over 150 something subscribers now. So what I'm about to teach you is not just theory. I'm not teaching you from copied Google and notes, or I'm teaching you from another creator's perspective. I'm teaching you from my own practical experience. More. I'm teaching you from my own wins, my own mistakes, from my own testing, what I have applied that worked, and what I did that actually made my channel to grow massively. Okay, so please open your heart, pick up your pen and your paper, because these tips can genuinely help you in so many ways. So the number one thing that you need to do on your YouTube channel in order to gain momentum on this YouTube platform that is very saturated is optimization. Optimize your channel. Some creators think that YouTube is just all about record videos, upload, pray, and disappear. They play. Just the play. You need optimization, and optimization simply means helping YouTube understand your content better, helping YouTube know who your video is for, what your video is all about, and who is most likely to enjoy it. Now let me break it down. When I talk about optimization, you have to understand that the first thing that you have to put in order to properly optimize your channel is your keywords. Don't play with this. Before you create content, research. ChatGPT have made everything easier. Look at successful videos in your niche. Find out what people are already searching for, because YouTube is a search engine platform. Stop creating random content that nobody asks you for. Understand demand before creating videos. I want you to understand that. So you have to use your keywords properly. Optimize your keywords. Go to your YouTube studio and do that. I'll place it on the screen here for you to know where to impute your keywords. Now the second thing is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression, and first impression matters. Before viewers hear your voice, they will first of all see your thumbnail. If your thumbnail is now weak, confusing, and maybe too crowded or too boring or too direct, people will definitely jabber, people will scroll, and if people don't click, YouTube may slow down your distribution. Okay, so your thumbnail should create curiosity. I'm not saying that you should create clickbait thumbnail, like creating thumbnail that is not related to the video that no, that's not what I mean. Your thumbnail should be simple. Your thumbnail should be clear, clickable, give people a reason to like stop scrolling on your channel and want to watch it. Okay, I don't want this video to be too lengthy, so I'll move to the third thing that you need to be doing on your videos in order to gain visibility is end screen. If you want to know how to like do all this end screen of a thing, write it on the comment section. I will teach you how to put your end screen the right way. Many creators ignore this, but end screen can help increase section, time, and meaning. Keep people on your channel longer. Don't let viewers watch one video and disappear. Guide them. recommend another helpful video. Just impute that last video that is not doing well, impute it on the present video. If you see that that video is doing well, impute it on that present video. Lead them deeper into your content, link it. That is what end screen is for. Now the second point about to talk about is consistency. Listen carefully. You cannot just upload one video and vanish for 5 years, then come back and start shouting, algorithm, why is my channel not doing well? See, in as much as most people will say post once a week, I don't know where that is coming from. Consistency matters. 4, 5 times. I post every day on this channel, especially for beginners. You don't need to burn yourself out, but batch create 3 uploads weekly, 4 uploads weekly, 6 upload daily if possible. See, create something realistic, something that is sustainable, because consistency gives you more practice, more feedback, and more data. You see that your views will start going up, and more opportunities for YouTube to understand your audience. Because when you just post one and run away, YouTube will not understand your audience. They will just, by the time you come back to start from where you stopped, you start afresh. So the next thing is niching down. Please niche down. This one is very important. I know most people will say, stop niching down. Niching down will not give you the opportunity to be versatile. Please, I'm begging the name of God to stop trying to be everywhere. Today you're cooking oral soup. Tomorrow you're gossiping. Next tomorrow is motivation. Weekend vlog. Monday skincare. God. Even the algorithm will be stressed out. Like, once you stress the algorithm will be like, drop this person video. I don't have strength. So you have to choose direction. You have to choose clarity. You have to choose a niche, because niching down helps you understand your audience better. Okay, and it also helps your audience to understand you better. You guys will understand each other. Now listen, I'm not saying you cannot expand later. That's not what I'm saying. You can, but first build authority. Become known for something. Let them know that this person is a YouTube coach, or this person is known for vlog. Not everywhere. Today is Bible study, tomorrow you're talking about Tinebu. No, now. Next point is engagement and content quality. Please don't make empty content. Give people value. You must not have the best gadgets, or do I have the best gadgets? It's not small mic I'm using. It's not small mic. Give people substance. Give people like reasons to stay on your video. Your content should be engaging. Let it be interesting. Let it be helpful. Let it be enjoyable. Am I making sense? Retention matters so on this YouTube. Watch time matters, because without watch time, how will you get paid? How will you even get monetized? Audience satisfaction matters. People should be telling you thank you, God bless you. YouTube pays attention to how viewers behave around your content. Please. And another point is, please stop chasing sub for sub. I'm telling you, I know this one may be like controversial, but if you can hear me out, thousands of subscribers that don't watch your videos is not always a flex. Build a community, not subscribers. There's a difference between dead subscribers and subscribers that are alive, because YouTube will definitely notice behavior. If people subscribe but they don't click, they don't watch, they don't engage, hey, that is going to send weak signal to your video. Please focus on building right audience, people who genuinely care about your content, people who are honestly interested in your content. Because honestly, 500 loyal viewers can sometimes outperform 5,000 inactive subscribers. Just like I said earlier about dead and alive subscribers. Am I making sense? So guys, you have to pay attention to these things. Make sure that you put this into practice. Optimization, consistency, niching down, and your content quality, and also building the right audience. These are practical lessons I personally learned from my journey through this Princess Nicky tutorial, and through Alishan Nicky News, and through my faceless channel. And these are true YouTube experience. So If you apply these things intentionally, you can genuinely improve your channel growth. Okay, so if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for anytime I post latest video, so that you will not miss out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you, pals.